கொஞ்சம் கூட கிடைக்காது போல.
Welcome back to my channel, friends. In this episode of the KONKAN Diaries video, you will have a glimpse of first leg of our Goa journey, that is from Chennai to Mangalore. So we will be taking the 12685 superfast till Mangalore. So 30631 will be our loco by which we will be travelling till Mangalore. So it's almost 4:55 right now and it's almost time.
Bye. Night phone பண்ணுங்க daily. Night phone பண்ணுங்க.
So we have departed Central correct bang on time. So Sharath, how excited are you?
Very excited.
Avlodana. No words to describe.
No words to describe.
As we exited Central, we were greeted by Coromandel Express. எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்றீங்க? ஜர்னி ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு, எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்றீங்க?
English.
So how do you feel?
We have started the journey.
ஐயா ஜாப்ல குறுக்குறே பிடிக்கிட்டா நாய். After skipping Arakonam Junction, we crossed the Dadar-Egmore Express. So we've crossed Balaja Road right now and I have my friends here with me. So like we have been planning such trips for the past 6 years, like since the age of 12. So finally such dream has come true. So what do you feel? So Katpadi Junction is our first halt and we have covered the distance of approx 140 kilometers in 1 hour and 50 minutes. Like first halt comes after 140 kilometers, so that's good. So we have ordered 2 vadas and 1 cutlet. So vadas cost is 10 rupees per piece and cutlet is 20 rupees per piece. They have given coconut chutney along with it. So talking about the water supply, tap is working good fine, and about the washroom, The one thing which I noticed in this washroom is the washroom is quite small. So you can see, though it is clean, but it's very small. Like the washroom is not as comfortable as the one in the old ICF coaches. So railways should look upon it. Oi, happy Pongal. இன்னைக்கு என்ன டேன்னு சொல்லு பார்க்கலாம். தப்பு. போகி பொங்கல். வீடு கட்டி போறோம் நீ சொல்லு பார்க்கலாம். குழந்தை எதுல வரணும். So we actually don't have a halt at Jolarpet, but you saw those two people getting down because we are running slow over here. This is the one of the very few trains that's actually skipped Jolarpet. So many people are getting down and boarding the train. Oh, that's wrong. So we have arrived at Salem right now. The time right now is 9:36. So you all know Salem is one of my favorite cities in Tamil Nadu. So the starter has been given. Huh? ஒன்னு தான்டா எடுக்கிறேன். ஐய் கிளம்பிட்டான். சி போலீஸ் கொடுக்குறேன். So we are going to have a food right now. I ordered a plate of chapati from the food which was loaded at Katpadi, and my friend had bought fried rice from Chennai itself. 4 மணிக்கு வாங்கின fried rice 10 மணிக்கு சாப்பிட போறோம். எப்படி இருக்குன்னு தெரியல. The food was quite decent, but the only major problem I faced was opening the packet of kurma which was given alongside chapati. Like it almost took me 5 minutes to open that. After finishing my dinner, I decided to take a small nap. The time was almost 1:30 when I woke up at Palakkad.
ട്രെയിൻ നമ്പർ 1265 ചെന്നൈയിൽ നിന്നും മംഗലാപുരം വരെ പോകുന്ന ചെന്നൈ മംഗലാപുരം സൂപ്പർഫാസ്റ്റ് എക്സ്പ്രസ് ഒന്നാമത്തെ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിരിക്കുന്നു.
Vanakkam Kerala. Palakkad Junction is our first halt in Kerala, and we are here at 1:30. That is 10 minutes before time. That's very good. After being awake till Sharanur, I decided to sleep for some time again. I woke up again at 3:45 in the morning to enjoy the ride through the Malabar coast.
அப்போ தமிழ் ஃப்ளூயன்சி.
So good morning people. Once again a good morning. Time right now is 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm already here at Kozhikode. So we are running 25 minutes early, and I'm shivering right now. Good morning.
Yes, good morning. How are you?
Fine. How's the shop running?
No.
என்ன வேணும் சொல்றா. பிஸ்கெட் வாங்கி இது கூட வரட்டு. Thank you. Thanks bro. How does it feel eating a dairy milk at 4:30 in the morning? So we have arrived at Kannur right now. Even at Kannur we are 15 minutes early. So the scenario is like the train is arriving every station 15 minutes or 10 minutes early and departing on time. And again it's arriving the next station 15 or 10 minutes early. Also the gap between the platform and the train is too large. So old age people might find it difficult to board the train actually. So So railways should please look into this. Okay guys, we have been halted here at Payyanur for the past 5 minutes. My friend and myself, we haven't brushed yet. So say good morning to the people. Tata, or good morning solunga.
Good morning.
What you feel when your feet hit the pavement. Keep on reaching, hold on to what you believe in. Don't gotta learn what they're teaching, no, no, don't believe what they're preaching. Remember the meaning, this old folk song we be singing. I'ma raise my arms high, I'ma touch the skyline.
So we have entered Mangalore town. So you will be able to see the two tracks over there. Those are the ones which go to Mangalore Junction. That is the Konkan Railway main line. And we take a separate road to Mangalore Central. So we have finally reached Mangalore, Mangaluru Central. So let's get into the waiting hall. Like we have a train to Karwar at 1:55 from Mangalore Junction. So till then I have to spend my time at the waiting hall over here. So after getting refreshed at the waiting hall, we decided to move to Mangaluru Junction. Watch the second episode to know what happened next.